The International Cricket Council (ICC) on Thursday came under fire from cricket fans for not featuring ODI number 1 batter Babar Azam in the World Cup promo. The fact that Babar Azam, the top ODI batter, was absent from the video aroused concerns among cricket fans. One Twitter user commented, "This more looks like the IPL promo," and another fan wrote, "This is not the ICC ODI World Cup, it is a BCCI promo for the Indian team. You only notice Indians and more Indians there." In addition to Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, who played the lead, others featured in the promo were Shubman Gill, Dinesh Karthik, Jonty Rhodes, Eoin Morgan and Muthaiya Muralidharan. Earlier today, the ICC posted the promo of the World Cup on Twitter. "History will be written and dreams will be realized at the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023, said the ICC.